This is a recording. What I've done is I rebuilt a bunch of carburetors. So every single carburetor that I rebuild, I do a run test. And here's just one of them. I mean, I rebuilt 9 carburetors already, so this is the last one I'm testing. And every single one turned out to be pretty nice, okay? But here's one right now on my run stand engine. And I'm gonna kick it down to a full retard idle so you can hear the sound. Okay, now I don't know if you can hear that or not, but that's the right Model A sound when it's running really, really low. It's only running about 500 RPMs. So now I'm going to put it up right in the middle. Okay, I'm going to give it some gas now. Bring it up. Now you see, the jet is just right. When I bring it up to speed, I bring it up way speed, it's getting enough fuel. I got the gap valve turned out, a little bit less than a quarter out. The idle's all adjusted. Everything is right, and every single carburetor behaves the same way. This particular carburetor is a 1928. It's an early level AR. What I did to it is I put new throttle shaft bushings in it, a bushing rather, there's only one in it. And then I, of course, rebuilt the whole carburetor. And I put a more modern lower end on it because the other ones didn't have the idle reservoir in them, so I changed that out. But as you see, it runs fantastic. And also, this is my run stand engine, and this thing is a perfect Model A engine. One of these days, if I ever get a cheap Model A, I'll stick it in there. But right now, I'm just using it for this. But you can see it's really great. So I'm going to retard it again. I love that retard sound. Don't you? Doesn't it sound great? Okay, so that's it. I just wanted to show. So whoever buys one of my carburetors should be very satisfied. All right, that's it.